strength-giving emotions. Sure. Confident, not doubtful. Example 1. I am sure this is the correct answer. Example 2. She is sure about her future plans. Certain. Completely sure, without doubt. Example 1. He is certain that the shop closes at 9 p.m. Example 2. I feel certain that she will come. Unique. One of a kind, unlike anything else. Example 1. This painting is unique in style. Example 2. Her voice is unique and beautiful. Dynamic. Full of energy, change, and enthusiasm. Example 1. The teacher gave a dynamic lecture. Example 2. She is a dynamic leader in the company. Tenacious. Not giving up, holding firmly to something. Example 1. The tenacious boy kept practicing until he won. Example 2. She is tenacious in her fight for justice. Hardy. Strong and able to survive difficulties. Example 1. Hardy plants grow in cold climates. Example 2. He is a hardy man who works long hours. Secure. Safe, protected, or free from fear. Example 1. The baby feels secure in her mother's arms. Example 2. The house is secure with CCTV cameras. Empowered. Feeling strong and confident to act. Example 1. The training empowered women to start businesses. Example 2. Reading books empowered him with knowledge. Ambitious. Having a strong desire to achieve success. Example 1. She is ambitious and wants to become a doctor. Example 2. His ambitious plan is to build a company. Powerful. Having great strength or influence. Example 1. The president gave a powerful speech. Example 2. The medicine has a powerful effect. Confident. Having trust in yourself and your abilities. Example 1. She felt confident about her exam. Example 2. He is confident in his decisions. Bold. Brave, not afraid to take risks. Example 1. She made a bold choice to travel alone. Example 2. It was bold of him to speak against the rule. Weakness causing emotions. Depressed. Very sad and hopeless. Example 1. He felt depressed after losing his job. Example 2. She became depressed due to loneliness. Desperate. Hopeless, willing to try anything. Example 1. The villagers were desperate for rain. Example 2. She made a desperate call for help. Dejected. Sad, disappointed, low in spirit. Example 1. The dejected student left the class quietly. Example 2. He looked dejected after the loss. Heavy. Emotionally burdened, full of sadness. Example 1. His heart felt heavy with sorrow. Example 2. She carried a heavy feeling after the argument. Crushed. Extremely sad or defeated. Example 1. She was crushed when her friend betrayed her. Example 2. He felt crushed by the bad news. Disgusted. Feeling strong dislike or sickened. Example 1. She was disgusted by the spoiled food. Example 2. He looked disgusted at the dirty room. Upset. Unhappy, worried, or angry. Example 1. She was upset when her phone broke. Example 2. He got upset after missing the bus. Hateful. Full of strong dislike or anger. Example 1. He said hateful words in anger. Example 2. The hateful look on his face scared her. Sorrowful. Full of deep sadness. Example 1. The sorrowful mother cried for her son. Example 2. His sorrowful eyes showed his pain. Mournful. showing grief or sadness. Example 1. The mournful music played at the funeral. Example 2. She gave a mournful sigh after the loss. Frustrated, annoyed or upset because you can't succeed. Example 1. She was frustrated with the slow computer. Example 2. He felt frustrated after trying many times.